pollution. It is one of humanity's biggest problems. It's destroying our precious Earth one little bit at a time. It starts with us, and it can end with us. Every pollutant has an adverse effect on our planet, no matter how much is polluted. From tossing a cigarette out of the car window to massive power plants spewing toxins out into the air, it all adds up. Let's follow the afterlife of a cigarette to see its impacts. A cigarette butt floating around in rivers and oceans is a choking hazard for marine life. Meanwhile, the power plant is pumping gases into the air to support our power grid. The most common gases that are being released into the atmosphere are sulfur dioxide, variations in nitrogen oxides, and carbon dioxide. These gases are harmful to the environment and to humans. If sulfur dioxide is inhaled, it can cause breathing difficulty, respiratory diseases, and even premature death. Nitrogen oxides contribute to the formation of smog and acid rain, and the inhalation of carbon dioxide can suffocate living beings. These three gases contribute to the list of greenhouse gases that have led to the rise in Earth's temperature. This is known as climate change. This climate change has caused the global temperatures to rise by a degree Celsius since 1880. 17 out of the 18 warmest years in history have occurred since 2001, while 2016 is the warmest year on record. This climate change is slowly killing parts of our planet. For example, the Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest living structure, has lost an estimated 29% of shallow water corals since 2015 due to warmer water temperatures. Australia contributes to 0.3% of the world's population, yet we emit roughly 1.8% of the greenhouse gas emissions worldwide. This equates to a massive 18.3 tons of pollution per person per year. The time to act is now. Stop killing our planet.